Kind reminder: groove needs to be carved. 1. Door thickness. 2. Diameter of the hole. 3. Backset. Tip: keep the strike plate hole level and point the latch's slope toward the door closing direction. The handle should face away from the door frame. Position screw J on the opposite side of the handle to prevent it from loosening. Tip: deadbolt of DESLOC should be installed on top. Insert cables properly. Apply 3H screws to fix the plate. If door handle faces right, place screw on left side, vice versa. Place excess cables parts properly. Secure interior lock by 3 eye screws. Place batteries properly. Insert key to unlock.